Thanks for tuning in for another Essential RC flight test, and today we are testing out the new XK X450, the latest plane from XK, who are really good at bashing out these all in the box, ready to fly models. You get the plane, you get the transmitter, the charger and the flight battery. You just have to put your double A's in the back of the transmitter. But this is their latest VTOL, vertical takeoff and landing plane. Now it's interesting because it's got ailerons, it doesn't have an elevator, it's just got the prop at the back to assist with going up and down, and then the props at the front are up at the moment but will flick forward when you go into traditional flight mode. Now there are three modes on the transmitter on the switch. There's multi-rotor mode, vertical mode and 6G mode. And we're not quite sure what the difference is between 6G mode and V mode actually, but we're just going to fly it and find out what it does. And our trusted test pilot is Tom, who's standing over here, quite shy. Tom, come on, Tom.
Thank you very much.
There you go. He's had a test flight of this in the garden for
about 30 seconds.
About 30 seconds
tops.
So he's an expert. So
what can go wrong?
What can go wrong?
Absolutely.
Away you go, Tom. So you're in multi-rotor mode.
Multi-rotor mode, yeah.
Okay. So presumably it's going to act
just
like a quadcopter. So the props stay in their vertical, but you see they are moving to give you the rotation and forward movement and everything. Easy,
yeah. Apparently 12 minutes battery runtime.
12 minutes battery runtime, that's pretty good, isn't it? So you want to get a bit of height, and then do you want me to flick it into one of the other modes?
Right, okay. Ready?
Yeah. Right, so the props.
That would appear to have gone into
flight mode. Yeah. So is that one click down?
Yeah, one click
down. So that's now in 6G mode.
Shouldn't be so nervous.
Yeah, your hands are shaking, but it's stabilised, so it won't show that.
Do I just flick straight through? Yeah.
That's vertical mode, I think.
Okay.
Woo! So that's V mode.
Yeah.
So the back prop is stopped because you don't need any pitch control, and the front props are straight forward.
If I now go into forward flight mode,
go to hover mode again.
the hover mode's there. What's it doing? What mode's it in now?
I think you're in forward flight mode.
I'm in forward flight mode.
6G mode. To multi-rotor mode.
That is quite impressive.
It transitions into it quite quickly, doesn't it? And do you know why that is? It doesn't have the elevator, it's got the prop at the back, so it's able to get pitch control quicker.
Where do you want to be there?
Yeah.
And where do you want to go into vertical mode?
Forward.
Oh, into forward?
Yeah. Dom, stay there.
Into forward?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm just trying to do it. I'm going down one. Oh, no,
Down one, yes.
Okay, when you're ready.
Yep.
Brilliant.
It's a genius device. I reckon there's a lot of math going on
Oh God, yeah.
when it does that.
Into a little microchip.
Yeah, because that can't be easy, the whole transition thing.
Just don't know why the transmitter has to beep incessantly.
That
You need
means
to
maybe
figure
low
that
battery.
out.
It might be low battery from the transmitter.
Oh.
How about V mode from low level?
From low level?
Yeah.
Not
All the way down.
From about head height.
Okay, I'll do it from a bit higher. So it's just a double flip, isn't it? You ready?
Yeah.
Oh!
And back again.
Bonkers.
I reckon you can do that from low level, you know.
Yeah, that's definitely on the Christmas list now.
Hold on. Go on then.
And vertical.
Oh.
Not again!
So low. It's cut out. Watch it. I'd lift it up by the nose while it's live. We don't want to lose any fingers.
It's now in quite a confused state. I think we'll have a...
We'll have to disconnect
You have to put it in vertical mode, I guess. Or horizontal.
having a bit of a funny turn now.
That's genius.
That is really cool, isn't it?
Yeah, it's clever, isn't it?
Yeah.
I do think it's amazing. I mean, 10 years ago, you wouldn't have imagined
No.
flying something like this, would you?
No. Now, do I flick back into hover mode?
Definitely.
Go, do it on your next pass, close to us. Oh, right. Are you
Aye.
back into multi-rotor mode?
Yeah. That's quite impressive.
Fantastic.
That is quite impressive, actually. To be fair, that's quite impressive.
Put them. Oh,
There you go.
That's awesome.
So there you go. That is the XK X450 from our friends at Banggood.com. Quite amazing. I just think that's amazing. So much technology crammed into that to make it fly around like a multi-rotor and then transition into normal flight. So Tom, thanks very much for the test flight
Pleasure.
there. Look it up on the link is in the video description. So click on that for the price. I think you'll be amazed at how cheap these things are. So have a look and see what you think. So thanks for watching this one. Maybe you want to subscribe for more Essential RC flight tests and stuff like that. But thanks for watching this one. See you next time.
Really good bit of kit, that, isn't it?
Yeah.
So yeah, a bit more height for the vertical mode.
Yeah,
You ready?
Yeah.
he's off.
Oh, yeah.
I think Tom liked it. You sort of
Press it.
don't press the red button.
BBC turn it off. Doesn't work if it doesn't work now either. Yeah. What? BBC turn off that red button. So.
Do it.
Is that you or me?
That was you.
It makes it crash. Well, it does.
No, it gives it a 3D mode, I think.
Oh, is that what it was?
Yeah, I think it puts it in the 3D mode. It suddenly became very sensitive on the old controls. Like, well, hang on.
Aerobatic.
So I've stuck it into course mode to get it back under some sort of control.
Yeah, maybe it turns off the
It's suddenly like, oh, hang on.
So Jace, were you watching that? So it's not referred to in the manual, but there's a bright red button here. Now I was kind of thinking XK. This is probably XK's, generic transmitter for all of their models, and we didn't think that that actually did anything on this model, but it does. It actually turns off 6G mode, I think.
Yes.
So that allowing you to flip and roll and do and all that type of stuff. But that is quite advanced.
3D stroke 6D.
Oh, 3D.
It's written there, look.
It's written there. It actually says
3D or 6G mode.
so.
But now you
Beware.
know. Now you know.
Don't touch that button on the maiden flight. Don't touch that button. Okay, so that's it.
Happy days.
Thanks for watching this essential RC flight test of the XK450. The link is in the video description. I think you will be absolutely amazed at how much this thing costs. You don't need to learn how to fly radio controlled planes with this, because there's no concept of pitch with an elevator. It's all pretty stabilized. You know, you could give this someone as a gift at Christmas, and they'd really enjoy it. So look it up on banggood.com. Thanks for watching this essential RC flight test. Look out for more in the future. Thanks to Tom, test pilot. Thanks for Jason,
No problem.
on camera. And we'll see you next time. Cheers, bye. Stop that thing beeping!
So it's just a double flick, isn't it? Right, you ready?
Yep.
Oh!
I'm back again.
Bonkers.
I reckon you can do that from low level, you know.
Yeah, that's definitely on the Christmas list now.
Hold on.